Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your phone look smoother using animation scaling on Xiaomi Mix Flip. Firstly, you will need to activate developer options, so go into settings, about phone, and tap a few times on your OS version. Now scroll to the bottom and go into additional settings, and here go into developer options. Now scroll down till you see something like animation or something like this. Here we know animation scale. Now if you wonder what it does, yeah, that's just it. Just the speed of all the animations, and basically theoretically speaking, if you change everything to 0.5, the animations are going to be twice as fast, so the phone may appear like it's faster, but obviously it's not actually. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.